Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to bypass Google verification on Google Pixel 5. Okay, as you can see, our device is also locked with the screen lock, and we want to unlock the device. First we'll perform the factory reset through the recovery mode, and then normally we will still have the Google account verification during the setup process, but unfortunately we don't remember the screen lock also and the Google account that we are using. So now let me show you how you can bypass it. First we need to power off the device, so hold the power key, click on power off, and now we need to enter the recovery mode. To do it, we need to hold power key and volume down at the same time. Now using volume keys, oh, it went too fast, so we will repeat it. Sometimes it happens, so don't worry. I'm about to power off the device once more, and we will repeat it. Power button, power off, okay. And now again, power key and volume down. Keep holding. Now use volume keys to find the recovery mode and confirm by clicking power key. Now hold power key and tap volume up. Click. Now using volume keys, we gotta select wipe data factory reset, confirm by clicking power key, volume down, select factory data reset, and confirm. Remember that everything will be erased also. Okay, data wipe complete, select reboot system now and confirm by clicking the power button. Now we need to wait. We gotta keep waiting. It may take a little bit, so simply be patient and wait until you see the setup process. Okay, in here select your language. Now let me show that we have the Google verification. We just gotta click on get started. Normally, if we wouldn't have the Google account verification, we would have a skip button. But in here, we gotta connect to the Wi-Fi right now. I'm just showing you that this Google verification is still here and that we are going to bypass it. Once again, we need to wait. Okay, we can click on don't copy. Use my Google account instead. And the verification is still here and it's impossible to skip it. Now we gotta go back to the main page, to the first page. And you also need to have an active SIM card that is in your phone. Now we gotta click on emergency call. And we have to call for an emergency number. We are going to dismiss the call right after, but we are doing that because thanks to that will open up the Google Maps. So I'm going to type this number, then call. If the location doesn't appear, simply dismiss the call and then do it again until it appears. Okay, tap. And let's end the call immediately after. Okay. We have our Google Maps. We gotta wait until they loads. Okay, and now we need to find the share button. You just gotta select anything until you see the share button. Okay, go to the right side, share messages, select new message, and type a random number. I'm about to type 500,000,000. Okay, now select this number, delete everything in the bar, and then type www.youtube.com and send it. Now tap. If it doesn't appear, type on the link. And as you can see, first Chrome has appeared. Select that you want to use without account. No thanks. Reject all. Now we have the search bar. We gotta tap on that. And in here type HardReset.Info/bypass. Confirm. Now our page has appeared. Select that you agree. Sometimes it may not want to click on the first try, so you just gotta repeat sometimes, or you can try to type it again until you'll be able to agree. Sometimes it lags. I don't know why. Oh, maybe now. Okay, it worked. And now keep scrolling down until you find Setting App. Simply tap. As you can see, Settings has opened. If they don't, usually a different page opens. Simply close it up and then tap again, and Settings will eventually launch. Now tap on Apps. Keep scrolling down. App battery usage. Keep scrolling down. Find Google Play Services. Tap on that. And tap that you want to disable. Tap Disable App. Now go back all the way to the settings. Keep scrolling down. Accessibility. Now accessibility, many, and enable. Click on allow. Click on got it. Then we gotta restart our device, so hold the power key and select restart. We can also remove the SIM card from our phone. Okay. Then click on Get Started. Keep waiting. Now we need to wait once again. Okay, click on Don't Copy. Okay, and click on Skip. Skip. Okay, in this moment, our phone starts to, like loop. Now, that's the moment when we need to click those three dots. Click on Accessibility Settings. Tap on Talkback. Scroll down. Settings. Keep scrolling down. Braille keyboard. Setup Braille keyboard. Now tap on Settings. Now tap on Gboard. Keep scrolling down. Click on Share Gboard. Share. Wait a little bit. Okay, now select Chrome. Tap on the number of the pages that are opened. Go back to Bypass FRP. Keep scrolling down. Open Settings app. Go to Apps. App battery usage. Now go again to Google Play Services. Enable them, and now we gotta go back all the way to the first page of the setup process, and we'll do it by simply tapping the back button a lot of times. Now click on Get Started. And we want to go back until we find the network connections, and we can click on Skip, Setup Offline, Continue, More, Accept. We can set up it or skip it. Let's skip it for now. Okay, select your theme. I'll stick to light one. Click on Next. Select navigation method. I'll stick to gestures. And now we gotta swipe to the upside, and as you can see, we have successfully bypassed this Google account verification. But to fulfill everything, let's perform factory reset through the settings. After the factory reset through settings, you won't have any Google verifications anymore. So to do it, go to Settings, scroll down until you find System. Keep scrolling down, Reset Options, Factory Reset, and erase all data. Okay. Now let's wait until our device performs the factory reset. We'll go through the setup process once more just to verify, and I'll show you that we won't have any Google verifications anymore. So let's keep waiting until we see the setup process. Okay, the phone has turned on. Select the language, click on Get Started. And now from the beginning we have the skip button under Wi-Fi, so we can tap on that. Same thing with the SIM card. Next. More, accept. I'll skip the PIN. I want the light theme. I'm skipping the tutorial how to use gestures. Swipe up. And now, as you could see, we didn't have any Google account verifications anymore during the setup, so everything worked perfectly. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.